Alright, after a very long period of time, we finally got the graphics kit. So, finally get to put the graphics kit on, so that'll be nice. I just got done cutting the grass, so I'm a little sweaty. It's been raining a lot. I haven't really been able to ride either because my truck keeps breaking down, so I'm getting it taken in here in a few days to get it fixed finally. And then we got a few other things going on, so ain't really been able to ride much this year, but at least we got one positive thing going. Well, also because we went on vacation too, so couldn't have them. And then we're going on vacation again here soon.
Like 2-3 weeks, something like that. 3 weeks, I think.
Really, that soon?
I think.
Well, it was in August, right?
Yeah, but July's almost over.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Well, yeah, we're going on vacation again here in a few weeks. So, really not much time to ride. And it's been raining just about every weekend here. Which I know the rain's good, but it's been raining too much to go ride, unless you want to ride in the rain. But, so yeah, fortunately I haven't been able to ride much this year. But, positive side of things, we got the new plastics on. Graphics kit is in. It is the Troy Lee design. Gas Team kit. It's like, I think it's the older one, because it's not the Red Bull. It's just the Troy Lee design. But regardless, it'll still look really good to have an actual graphics kit on the bike rather than just the stock plastic.
Because you never had one on there.
Yeah, so it'll be good. It'll be cool. I'll feel like a professional out there. Even though I'm far from it. But doesn't matter. Look cool, have fun. Who cares? I'm gonna clean these off because it's been sitting and they got a little bit of dirt and stuff on them. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe these off and start putting them on. First time I've ever put graphics kit on a bike, so
Don't come from.
hopefully it looks good. Alright. So first I'm gonna try to identify what goes where, and then kind of go from there. So like I said, I've never done this. It's like really right off the bat, I don't even know where that oh, that definitely goes there.
Does it come with any instructions or?
No. That definitely goes there. For sure. My main thing is I just really want to make sure everything's that'll help a lot.
It's for bumpers.
That'll still, that'd be perfect.
I'll go get it.
All of it's pretty, pretty self-explanatory though. This is obviously going to go here. I'm not sticking anything on this yet. A lot of them have tape on them to
Got my squeegee.
reset it. What?
Got my squeegee thingy.
Perfect. So this.
It's kind of small.
Almost like looks like it would go on the back here.
Wait. Hold on. Here.
Alright, whatever. Figure that out. Alright, that one will go there for sure. That fits there perfectly. So it's those rear ones that are gonna trip me up. But it obviously goes there.
Does it say, is it gonna say gas? Cause where's the other one? Or is it just gonna be like that?
Yeah, like what the heck? Is it not supposed to be a piece there?
That's what I was thinking.
Is this like literally missing a piece? He's obviously got here. So obviously goes there. Yo, this is literally. Not right.
Cause I swear in the picture it had the full thing where it said gas.
Yeah. Because, like, even these, it's like, where would that possibly go? Everything else is lining up great. And then that says gas. It's like it's missing this whole section. You gotta be kidding me, dude. What the heck? It's obviously letters gotta go down.
Is there a picture reference from when you ordered it? Wait, what?
Let's go on here.
Oh, actually.
Yeah. See.
Oh, okay.
Those go there. So I'm like literally just missing pieces. Cause that's all that's in there. It's literally missing this whole piece. That's crazy. And get this. It has that. What even is this? Oh, would this go here? I think that would go there. With a little flag. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Fits there perfect.
I feel like that's not right. It should say gas, like fully, you know?
That's the thing. Literally, it came with everything except for
I
this.
feel like that's like the main.
And so both number plate pieces are gone. It's supposed to be here and there, and they're both gone. But it came with everything else though.
You didn't open this before, did you?
No. So, unfortunately, this kit that I ordered does not come with the side plate or the number plate. It comes with everything else but those two things. So it's an incomplete kit. I didn't realize that. I was about to try to contact them and complain about it, but I looked up some reviews and they all said that it does not come with those two things. And if you look into the fine print, it does say it don't come with it. So yeah, that's unfortunate.
Why would they even have an incomplete kit though?
Yeah,
to buy?
that's the really bummer thing about it. Because I think that's kind of lame.
Yeah, why would they have an incomplete kit on their website?
Yeah, because when you order it, when you look at the picture, it shows the full kit
Yeah.
on the image. But when you go and look at which I guess, live and you learn, now know better.
I'll pop up a picture for the reference right here.
Yeah, that's I guess where I messed up. I was just going off the reference picture. But if you do look at the product details, it does say what it all comes with, and it does not say side pieces or number plate. So that sucks. I'm still gonna put it on anyways, and just hope that maybe somewhere I can find those 2 missing. Or I guess 3, because both sides. Try to find those missing pieces to, get the full kit. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate because I can tell, like, it's pretty thick. You can tell it's pretty solid quality just by feeling it. I mean, it's like a thick rubbery material. I don't know how to explain it, but like, I could tell it's good quality, but not knowing it wasn't a complete kit, I wouldn't have ordered it.
Yeah. Not for what it was worth, I guess.
Yeah. I'm gonna start with the easy part.
Let's see.
And just try to get it centered up as I can.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, it went up really well. And going off that reference picture, I can tell the Troy Lee design sticker goes on the side here.
Yeah.
So I'll probably just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use that reference picture quite a bit. Something like that. I guess just,
However you want.
yeah, at your own discretion, I guess. I'm like literally just winging this whole thing. 'Cause like I said, I've like never done graphics before. Alright, well, we got the front fender.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
This actually applies really easy. I mean, it's fairly easy. I haven't had a single air bubble to worry about. The only thing I'm worried about is like alignment, but these ones are smaller pieces, so I was able to just peel it off and stick it right on. The bigger ones, I'm probably going to have to peel it off a little at a time, like that back one.
Yeah.
And then the forks, those will probably be a little tricky. But do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this back piece. I'm gonna use this tape to like help me keep it lined up. Oh yeah. I'll definitely need to take the forks off probably to do those because it's a much tighter space because it wraps all the way around. That one's gonna be tricky.
Yeah.
I'll probably do that last. I don't know what kind of adhesive it is, but it's pretty strong. It ain't coming off. Okay, got the shroud. One of them at least. That one was a little more tricky. There's a lot of like bubble spots I had to work out, and like fitting it, I had to like flex it a little bit. So that one was a little tricky. I think the next one I might actually start from the bottom up instead of top down. Because this long piece, I can flex and move a lot better than I can all around here.
But why? Why do they not have this piece?
I know, it's gonna look so incomplete without that. It's gonna look so incomplete. And I was so excited about getting actual graphics put on it. Man. Still, I mean, it still looks pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's still an upgrade from what you had. Just
Yeah.
plain plastics.
It's gonna have the incomplete gaskets.
And then there was a number plate right there.
Yeah. I know I don't have the number plate in the front, but
You put the piece on it.
I don't know where I'm gonna put that. I'll have to figure that out. Everything but the missing piece, which sucks because it looks so, it just don't look finished. Such a pain. But you got the front, you got the forks. Those ones actually weren't as hard to get on as I thought.
They look pretty good.
Yeah. All I gotta do is see if I can't find a number plate. That I can find pretty easy, but this piece,
Yeah.
I'll need it to at least find one that matches the kit. I don't know how hard that'll be. Maybe get a new seat cover.
Yeah. Here, you take over. I'm gonna go get the mini bike.
Oh, what?
The mini bike.
Oh.
Mini bike.
Yeah, the only thing is if you look at the race bikes, it's Red Bull Choi Lee design. They all have the Red Bull on it, like right here. This one don't have the Red Bull. It's just a regular Choi Lee design kit, which isn't really a problem. But yeah, here's the full kit. And the other side's obviously just the same. But that missing piece, gosh, that bugs me so much. And it came with some extras. Not 100% sure where to put those. And I also seen on the pro bikes they had that on the inside, so I went ahead and slapped that on. I could just find a spot to put the peace sign and just slap it on there, like right here. Or I can put it on our mini fridge. Here's the mini version. So that's obviously a 450, but
Yeah. Because it's just Justin Barsha's bike.
yeah. And like I said, the race kit, you could tell it has the Red Bull signs on it. Whereas
Yeah.
this one
Doesn't.
doesn't. It's just but everything else is the same, like all that. Except it has Puma, that's random. But yeah, it's just missing the rest of the gas words, I guess. Which is probably still cut off. I'm not really.
Okay, that's it for this video. And hopefully, you will find that piece.